Well, it doesn't work like riding any other car though. You can't look out on it there. You can't change seats.
I missed it.
You retard. How's this thing going to stop?
It's gonna derail. Dev, it has a chance to derail and explode. Wait lang, I'll catch it again. Okay, I caught it. I'm on the train engine now.
I want to slow it down now.
No, we're still far from the station. Hi, being this long, yeah, it's hard to stop.
Shouldn't those things work?
Yes, don't touch them, okay? I don't want all of you to be driving around trains. Are you near the platform na bar? Not yet.
Malalagpas na po ako sa train. Sa platform.
Okay, go out. Press delete. Delete on your There we go. And then just press V. Yep. All good? Okay, the train will go forward na.
Okay. Okay. Just going forward. God, may namatay.
May namatay? Okay, I have to move then. I'll have to move that person.
Uy, naiwan ko yung pistol ko!
Oh,
Joke lang.
the train is
Joke lang.
away.
Yan.
Okay.
Well, whoever's gonna find my pistol is gonna be a very lucky man. It's a pretty expensive pistol. Meanwhile,
Okay.
this guy's just standing casually in front of an armed man. This is how
So,
PMC travels on the trains nowadays with their guns on hand. Hello,
so what do you
Captain.
think?
I think it's perfect. But are
Oh,
there any other types of trains?
yes, there's freight trains, there's high-speed trains, there's also bigger covered than hoppers even.
Yeah, there are the trains where I can walk around. I'm
Yeah.
actually inside. Yun
Okay,
sana
well,
maganda
if
na while we're inside the train moving, we're going to
yeah,
be fighting.
pwede din, yeah. Pero I'll have to like give you guys I have to modify this first. Give it flat cars and stuff like that.
No, like inside the. Oh,
The train's coming here. Let's see.